Hi, I'm Adam Winfield of Lincolnshire Photo Training. Welcome to Doddington Hall Gardens in Lincoln. I'm running a couple of photography workshops here in partnership with Doddington and their fantastic sculpture exhibition, situated throughout the beautiful gardens. Both of our workshops begin at 9 AM, providing participants with private and exclusive access to the gardens for 2 hours before they open to the public. You can therefore explore the exhibition and work on your photographs in peace, with minimum distraction and making the most of the gardens and house as your backdrop. To get you started and help you with choosing your photos, I'll be carrying out a demonstration where I'll show you how to approach choosing your subject, exploring the opportunities for composition and artistic interpretation. I'll also discuss the choices you have with settings on your camera and how to set your aperture, your shutter speed, as well as how to focus properly, all to capture unique and special photos, something a little bit different to everyone else's. Don't worry if terms like aperture, shutter speed are a mystery to you. We'll teach you to improve the photos you take, whether you're using a smartphone, a compact camera or an SLR. After my demonstration, you'll be free to concentrate on your photography, and I'll be here to provide advice, guidance and offer feedback to ensure you see a real improvement in the photographs you're taking. Our workshops include access to the gardens for the rest of the day, so you can continue to enjoy the exhibition in your own time. You can make the most of the great restaurant and cafes here, as well as practice what you've learned on the workshop. Please click on the link above to find out more and book your places. We have limited space and tickets are selling fast, so please book soon, and I look forward to seeing you here very, very soon. Thank you.